Hey, Kyler, show us how you start the... See how it's off? Show us how you start the four-wheeler. Turn the key. Start it. Whoa. Alright, turn it off. Oh, no, 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 don't hit that. Hey, one more time. What? He knows how to do it. Okay, turn it on. Out. Yay! Is that funny?